Hey everyone, this is Caleb from Firecrawl, and in this video, I'll be talking about everything that's happened in the world of AI in the last few days. There's been a lot. Let's kick things off with something that really caught my eye. Higgsfield just dropped Soul, a photo-only model tuned for ultra-high aesthetics. Think magazine-quality output right out of the box. We're talking flawless lighting, textures, and color fidelity with zero post-processing. And even better, it generates 256 by 256 images in just 0.8 seconds per frame on a single A100. Honestly, I tried a few prompts myself, and the output looks like something straight out of a Vogue shoot. If you're in the e-commerce or branding spaces, this might be the first model that actually replaces your Photoshop team. No joke. Next up, Midjourney finally released their first gen video model, V1. You give it one image and it spits out 4 5-second clips at 24 FPS, all rendered in under 40 seconds total. It uses a sliding window diffusion system, plus optical flow estimation for buttery smooth motion. Testers are reporting less than 15% artifact rates, even in complex scenes. And this is wild to me. Midjourney's known for their visuals, not motion, and yet here they are casually dropping a video model that already competes with tools like Pika. First release, and it already looks production grade. Now, something we're genuinely hyped about. The FLUX.1 Kontext Dev release. The only open weight image generation model, this tool excels at context-aware image edits in under 12 seconds. On the new context bench, which is over 1,000 multi-turn tasks large, it outperformed GPT Image 1 by 12% in consistency. And it's open weights, which means you can fine-tune it for niche use cases, like legal redactions, architectural drawings, product mockups, or you name it. We've been testing context internally, and yeah, it's next level. The multi-turn edit reliability is what really stands out. You don't need to keep retrying prompts to get what you want. It just works. For devs building serious visual apps, this is a gift. The next update might just change LLMs forever. Sakana AI rolled out reinforcement learned teachers, or RLTs. And here's the twist. Instead of teaching models how to solve problems, these 7 billion parameter models learn how to teach. They generate reasoning traces from both the question and the answer. The result? Student models trained with RLTs saw a 13% improvement in multi-step math, and they cut distillation compute by 60%. This one really made me pause. Teaching models how to teach, that's meta in the best way possible. And if you've ever tried training a student model on a limited budget, cutting compute by more than half is a huge win. And now let's talk developer tools. OpenAI released Deep Research plus webhooks on its API. Deep Research is powered by O3 Mini, but acts like a personal analyst. It reads papers, pulls live web data, and drafts detailed reports in minutes. It even scored 26% on humanity's last exam, which puts it in human expert territory. Webhooks, on the other hand, mean no more polling. Now you get real-time updates for file operations, fine-tunes, and more. I tried Deep Research on a recent paper, and the summary was shockingly good, like something I'd pay a junior analyst for. Add in the webhook support, and now we're finally seeing OpenAI's backend mature into something truly production grade. Now, this next one's a game changer for edge computing. Google just released Gemma 3N, their smallest open weight model yet. It runs locally with just under 2 gigabytes of RAM, handles text, images, video, and audio inputs, and supports over 140 spoken languages. This one flew under the radar, but it's a big deal. Most open models still struggle with true multimodal input and staying lightweight. If you're building AI-powered offline apps, like AR or on-device safety tools, this gives you a ton of flexibility without the privacy headache of cloud inference. Let's talk agents. Gemini CLI is now open source. This is Google's new terminal-first AI agent powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro's 1 million token context window. It can write code, review PRs, invoke image gen or VO, all directly from your shell. Plus, it uses the model context protocol to call real-time tools. And this is my kind of update. No clunky GUI, no switching tabs, just raw power in the terminal. If you work in DevOps or backend workflows, this turns your shell into a full-blown coding partner. I've already swapped out my previous LLM wrapper for this. And now, onto one of the biggest quiet launches of the month. Minimax dropped M1, a massive 456 billion parameter hybrid attention model. Using their CISPO algorithm, they trained it in 3 weeks on just 512 GPUs for under $540,000. It supports 1 million token context, pushes 25% fewer flops than DeepSeek R1, and delivers 45.9 billion active parameters per token. And these numbers are absurd in the best way. Training something this powerful, this fast, for this cheap, it's a sign we're hitting a new era of efficiency. Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash officially hit general availability on June 17th. Gemini Pro now tops the LM Arena leaderboard with a 1470 score and a 24-point boost over 2.0. And it hits 82% on the ITER Polyglot at a fraction of the O3's cost. Meanwhile, Flash Lite is now in preview and surprisingly outperforms Gemini 2.0 Flash Lite while being the cheapest and fastest in the family. If you're sleeping on Gemini, now is the time to pay attention. Pro is finally showing its real capabilities, and Flash Lite might be the best cost-performance trade-off in the market right now. Everything's available today on Vertex AI and Google AI Studio. There's no waitlist. And that's a wrap on this week's Roundup. I'll be back again with more updates, breakdowns, and tools worth your time. But until then, keep building, keep shipping, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.